Guangzhou, Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou.
Say hi. So we're gonna start in this old village, but we're gonna I don't know if we can walk around over there. It's pretty loud, but I think we can maybe take a look around there. But we're gonna walk around this village and show you what it looks like. Sorry it's so loud. We'll put it up on the map as well for you. Guangzhou. This is a cool little village in the south of the city. Put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And this is the third and final video. So I did one video of this village where I went to the right side from the entrance, and another one to the left side. And this one I come back through the middle, and I kind of get a little bit lost and meander around a little bit. And but it's all good because this village is really cool. So the other two will be in the thumbnails at the end. So if you want to view more of the village, you can. I recommend it because it's a cool place. Anyways, let's get right into it. As if you're there yourself, a little slice of Guangzhou. Okay, so you just saw this on the map. This is an old village, and we're kind of at the shrine. There's so many different directions that we could walk in here. But we're gonna be walking through this village. I have had 2 other videos of this village as well. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and actually there's like ping pong tables over there as well. I think what we're gonna do is let's walk right into some of this. Oh, there's so much history in here. Okay, so let's kind of meander. So much history. Okay, so yeah, we're in an old village, ancient village. We got some ping pong tables in here. Hello. Kind of cool for the kids that grow up around here, because it's a whole community without cars going through. So it's a whole village right here, and I did 2 other videos, so this is actually the 3rd video. And the other 2 videos are both 30 minutes, and I just kind of scratched the surface of what's all in here. And I kind of do it more like streaming style, which means that I just turn the camera on, and I do put it on YouTube later at a different date. But it's kind of like screen, but better quality probably than streaming. So this is Xi'an's Clan Hall, rebuilt 1736 to 1795. So that is built that time period. The village is probably older. We'll see if we can see a exact sign. And then the village is surrounded by 3 sides with water. Got lots of people kind of hanging out everywhere in here, playing cards. Mostly playing cards here. So what I did in video 1 and 2 is video 1 I walked through, let me just kind of get the river a little bit. I walked down one side of the river in one direction, and then video 2 I walked the other side, the other direction, on 2 sides. So I guess on this one I'm kind of walking down the 3rd side. The village is surrounded like a horseshoe shape. Well, like a circle, but like the river is a horseshoe shape. Village is a square, I guess. The other videos I was mentioning too, like this is kind of throughout the world. Cords like this in Asia, it's like there's so much density that the cords can be quite thick. So this village is like filled with these little narrow homes everywhere, but we're gonna follow kind of the waterway-ish area for now, and then we'll deviate later. But I was thinking that these are all gonna be gone someday. The technology is probably already there. Okay. So this is a bridge. So yeah, this little community, there's bridges that connect to other communities too. Doing some fishing there. Okay, so this is a lot of the buildings on this one side of it. Yeah, no cars can come through because of the bridge nature, but I'll see these boats in here as well. That's kind of cool. These tires probably came out of the river. Yeah, these pipes, they kind of made the pipes into artwork. Okay, so we're gonna just we're gonna stroll through and show you. There's lots of little businesses in here. Some of them are closed because my guess is that it's probably more livelier during the weekends. More tourists, I mean. Oh, that's kind of cool. They're drying out different vegetables. Okay, here's another shrine. All the bikes come in as well. Closed right now. You can see some of the buildings. So the buildings are kind of a mix. It used to be an old village, but you can definitely see that there's lots of buildings to increase the density. There's a gate right there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go through the community by going, let me see which one to go down. There's this one. He's going down that way, so I'll go down this way. It's kind of a cool contraption though. He might be going, oh, we're gonna go down the lighter way. There's more sunshine. But yeah, that's the other thing about here too, is all these narrow homes, narrow alleys. Like right here, I can feel this little breeze that feels really good coming through. And in South China, that can feel really good. Okay, so we're gonna, there's like a Lingnan style thing to the right here. We're gonna capture that in a second. Right there. So, hello. So let me see which way to go here. We could pretty much go anyway, but we're gonna go. These might just come to an ending here. Let's just go to where more of the people are at. Hello. Yeah, I think down this way feels more like a thoroughfare because I can see the motorcyclists here. Some of them have dead ends. So I think if we would have taken that path to the left, we probably would have went into a dead end. So let me see how this goes. That way. I think this way seems like a better way to go. Somebody's living room. So we're going to kind of be meandering around a little bit. we'll go down this way. So what I'm doing now is I'm video number 1, I'll have both of those connected in my thumbnails so you can see those. And those two I'm exploring along the river on both sides. I came in and I did one going to the right and I did another one going to the left. And then this one I'm kind of in the back end and I'm going to be going kind of directly through the middle. And then we're going to navigate back to the starting spot again as well. Oh, okay. There's a little bridge. This bridge is something I didn't expect. These little bridges kind of take you out of the neighborhood. So this one could be taking me out, or this bridge, or this little river goes through the middle. Let me see. I don't know. So there's, I can't really tell. So definitely this is a little village. Check out this building right here. Hello.
Hello.
So this village, this little building right here is really, really cool. Because what I like about it is this big green window right here. I think it might be a hotel or something like that. And then there's the entrance right there as well. And a big flag. Homestay. Okay, so this is a homestay boutique. Is that the owner? Or a good way to bring people in? It's like a nice image of a welcoming young woman who might be like a selling point for other people to come, especially of similar demographics or any demographics really. So I don't know exactly if I should go back in. I think what we're gonna do, you know what, I think we came to another area here. Oh, okay. I've actually been through this area before, and oyster shell houses I've went to already. Let's just go down that way. So I think what I'll do is, this video is a little bit long already. You kind of got an idea of it. Just all these narrow homes everywhere. Some of them look like apartments, and then others are like quite old, like those. And I'll have to come to an ending because it's a little bit too long. But I'm going to go to the oyster house because it's a house with oyster shells that's made out at the front, and that might be a nice ending spot. And then I actually came across it in a different way in a different video, so we'll probably, here's a Lingnan style house. If we don't get to it, it's okay. I'll just try to find some interesting ending spot. Oh yeah, so little village. There's actually, in video 2, there's a lot of let me see, we'll just keep on walking. There's a lot of shops, different cool stuff. I feel like this particular video is just more like walking through it. Ooh, that's a big rat. That rat came running out of there. The rat was huge. That was a big rat. Anyways, I'm just kind of lost now. Like, I'm not even sure. There's an arrow that said oyster house, and I definitely didn't walk by it. And I'm just kind of walking around a little labyrinth of housing. I don't even know. We're gonna go this way because we're not gonna see the oyster house. That was in video number 1. So if you want to see what that looks like, I kind of briefly see it from the outside. And the other video, I think it was video 1, I did see this park right here, and it has a nice shrine. So I kind of came across that, so I didn't get totally lost. Yeah, and I did walk through some of this stuff too. Saw some of the artwork as well. And then in the other video, I walked up to the shrine. So I walked up in that one. And then on this video, there's some shops in here too. Lots of shops actually. Oops. She's gonna go down. So we're going to, I think we're just gonna go all the way to the end of the video. And then we'll end something called DC Club. So now you're kind of getting more towards the entrance where there's more businesses. And I think we're gonna come out to the entrance where the cars will park, basically. So I think we'll take you there, and then we'll, there's a sign up front too, so we can kind of show that real quick. Anyways, slice of Guangzhou for you. And we have you saw it up on the map where it is. I don't think many people come here. There's lots of places to go in Guangzhou, but this is one of many. It's a big city. Is it 15 million people metro or something like that? There's the assembly hall, relatively new. It's the Soviet style assembly halls, 2011, quite new. There's the really cool, beautiful building. Looks like a, then they're playing games over there. And now we're at the entrance right here. And we're gonna take you, so that's where the cars can actually drop people off if you take a taxi or anything like that. Then this would be the ending spot. So there's like a whole little river that goes all the way through. So video one, I actually walked down here and I basically followed this river, saw lots of little shops over there. And then video two, I went that direction and went all the way down to where we started this video. And then in video three, I kind of meandered around and got lost in the middle somewhere. See, you can see we're about here. So yeah, I did one this way, one that way, and then one where I kind of got lost in here, right? Okay. And then we're gonna end the video right there.